Hello and welcome to the final instalment of the groundbreaking brand new Quizalize language features. This tutorial is for fill in the blank quizzes. Now when you log in, select make a quiz with AI help and select fill in the blank. Here you have the option to enter a topic or to paste a vocabulary quiz. Today I went with shopping. And now I will select my language. So let's go with Korean at TOPIK level 3. Then as quickly and as simply as that, I can generate my questions. So you can see them all loading up here, and teachers can edit where the blank is in the question, as well as being able to edit the answers and the questions. Then once you are happy with all of that, you can select the questions that you would like and assign them to your class. Give it a go in your classroom today and let us know what you think. Happy Quizalizing!